So, as a long-term Bose QC35 user, when I heard about the Airpods Pros having the active noise cancellation, I just went ahead and grabbed one. I actually unboxed it already, and here is the product itself. Here you go. These are the Airpods Pros. They come in a nice box, and as you can see, my iPhone already recognized it. I'm just gonna say connect, and we're gonna go through this experience together. The connection is complete. Press once on either AirPod to play, pause, skip, tarada, noise control. You can also press and hold either AirPod to switch between noise cancellation and transparency. Let me go ahead and put these guys on. I have the medium, and yeah, they are, by the way, controllable from the control center. Oh, I already hear. Oh, the fit is fantastic, by the way. I'm gonna make a more detailed review about this. Announce messages with Siri. Please focus. I'm not a big fan of that, so I'm just gonna say no. I have 77% charge already. I just unboxed them, and let's see where they are on the yeah, this is my suggestions. Let's see where they are on the control center. Sorry, what is wrong with my camera today? So here in the control center, I can clearly see the AirPods, and there you go. This is my AirPods. Noise cancellation, you can turn it on and off. You can go for transparency, which is super odd. Or you can just go back to noise cancellation, which is a very, very dull sounding. That's fantastic, actually. Like, let me go back to transparency. Yes, wow, it actually enhances your hearing. That's just fantastic. And here's the noise cancellation. These are all great. I'm gonna compare them to Bose QC35 in another video, so please do not forget to subscribe. In this video, let's focus on the content of the box. Here we have the Airpods Pro leaflet. It tells you how to connect. You gotta have the latest version, and you can change the ear tips. There you go. Here they are. If you need to change these to another size, now I have the medium in my ear. We have the small and large already here. It came with the medium size on, and medium fits me beautifully, so I don't really need to change that. So the unboxing is complete. Thanks a lot for watching this video. I'm going to be brief. There will be a comparison video. Please do not forget to subscribe. Having more subscribers is a lot of fun, and it makes the pleasure of making videos a lot more. Thanks a lot for watching, and as I said, see you on the next one. Arrivederci.